I just always wanted to see a Cybertruck in person. I've never really got a chance to see one. And speaking of, let me see if I can go get into it. So as you can see, the Cybertruck is amazing. Right here in the front is the front, apparently, just like the Tesla 3. But I think what's majorly significant is this huge wiper blade and this huge front glass window. But I imagine that when it's raining, that huge wiper blade probably comes in handy. First time actually seeing it and being close up on it, immediately the first thing I notice is the door handles, as you can see, like on the Tesla 3, the car, they're there, but I don't see them here. Okay, wow. That's incredible. Large open space, like a truck. However, of course, like the Tesla brand, you do have a large screen that gives you full visibility of what your dashboard looks like and what's going on here in the cockpit. That is a surprise. So there's a second screen in the back. I did not anticipate that. So viewers in the back get the same level of entertainment quality that the viewers in the front, or riders and passengers in the front, can also experience. What are your top 3 favorite things about it and your least 3 things about it that you like?
Only things I would say I like is the all-wheel drive, very easy to turn. The 0 to 60, I like, you know what I'm saying, it goes very fast, so I like that. I also like the simplicity of it, like there's not really too much in the car, just the wheel. You control everything on the screen. 3 things that I don't like about it, I would say the stainless steel.
Okay.
It's like you have to wrap it because it's gonna get dirty and fingerprints are gonna get on it.
Oh, wow.
So yeah, I would say you have to wrap it. That's one thing I don't like.
I heard some people say that this is like a blind spot here.
Yeah.
That when you're driving, it's kind of hard to see around
It's
it.
a blind spot. That is one thing I don't like. But there is a mirror. I mean, there is a camera. There's cameras all around the car.
Yeah.
That you can see on the screen. So that comes in handy. But yeah, that is another thing. I really don't have a third thing about the car that I don't like. But yeah, those are definitely 2 things.
So you would recommend it for people to get?
Yeah, for sure.